In front of me is Tank 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and click on Connected Devices right away. Then select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then hit Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!